Our third lesson on pronunciation of Runyankole words, we are looking at cha, cha, che, chi, cho, chu. We are looking at chamshana, which is lunch, chenda, 90, ntechire, I'm cooking, echozi, pumpkin, ma, amate, milk, omushomesa, omushomesa, teacher. Okushemererwa, okushemererwa, to be glad or happy. Then you can say nashemererwa, nashemererwa, I'm happy. Oh, I'm glad. We have emiti, trees. Emiti, emiti. We have another word, emondi. Emondi, which is Irish, potatoes. We have a word called munywani. Munywani, that's a friend. If you want to say my friend, you say munywani wanje, my friend. Munywani wanje. We have na. We have a word like kunaga. From na, that is to throw away. We have another word like kunava, that is to bathe. Then kunavisa, it is to also to bathe or to wash. That is applying to another person. If you want to bathe another person, so you say kunavisa. Means kunavisa, I will bathe you. Then we have nyineka, neka, that's a father, house head. Then we have another word, amajani, amajani, that is tea. We have coffee, omani, coffee. We have another word, munonga, munonga, which means much. If you want to tell a person that I love you so much, ni nkukunda munonga, ni nkukunda munonga, I love you so much. We have another word, echubunu, echibunu, that's a buttock or a bat as people call it. We have nya, nye, ni, nyo. We have enyanya, that is tomatoes. We have enyama, that's meat. We have nyenchakari, nyenchakari, that's tomorrow. We have omujeni, omujeni, that's a visitor. We have enyondo, that's a hammer. Enyondo. We have enyungu, Enyugu, that's a pot. Then we have pa, pe, pi, po, pu. It is rare except after emu. These words have to begin with P, must come after M. We have the word like empare, that is trousers, knickers, pants, shorts. The foreign word that we have is pasi. That's a flat iron, because in Ankole there was nothing like ironing. Back clothes was not ironed. So when they come these new clothes, we got a word pasi, which is a flat iron. Then we have empapura, which is peppers. You see it has pa, mpa. Then we have empangare, that is a useful girl. If a girl is still young, we call her empangare, useful girl. Then we have empeta, that is a wedding ring. Any ring is called empeta. Then we have empinduka, that is change. Empinduka, empinduka. Then we have empogora, mpogora, unpeeled cooked food, for example peanuts and matoke. We have empunu, mpunu, that's a pig. Then we have empunji, that's a refugee. Mpu, M-U-P-U, that's mpu. Then N-G-I-N-G, empunji. I think that's it for today. I wait to see your subscriptions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like, so that I can give you more videos of these. And I promise you we are going to have 1 month of learning Runyankole every day. Teri kuzikiza, there is no like putting off the fire. For 1 month, I want to make sure you learn Runyankole. I want to make sure in 1 month we are very fluent. Trust me, we're gonna make it. Nituza kuchikora, we gonna make it.